In this video, we want to quickly make a small fix. Now, if you see on this home page, we don't have a menu toggle button. So there is no way for us to toggle and display the side menu. Now, the reason for this is, we deleted the home page that was created when we created our project, and we created a new home page using the Ionic generate command. And when it generated inside the home.html file, it did not add the button for the menu toggling. So what we need to do right now is just to add the button and also add the icon. So let's go into our home.html file. Right here you can see home.html. We don't have any button for menu toggling, or menu toggle. So there's no way for us to toggle the side menu. Now, to add the menu toggle button, we need to add a button first. So we say button. Now we are not going to add a text, rather we are going to add an icon. Now this button will take some properties. Now for us to make this a button, we need to add the Ion button property to it. Now with this Ion button property, it's going to make this button, HTML button we have here, it's going to make it display like an Ionic button. Then another property we need to add is menu toggle. Now this is the property that will allow the button to toggle the side menu. Now after adding, we don't need to add a text, rather we need to add an icon. And to add an Ionic icon, we use the Ion icon tags. So Ion, open Ion icon, then close. No need to add a text. Then we need to add a property or a name property. Now inside this name property, that is where you add the name of the icon. And now in this case, the name of the icon we want to add is called menu. Now if we go to the browser, we can just search for Ionicons. You just search for Ionicons. Then we can search for the icons from this link, ionicons.com, or you can just search for only Ionicons. It will take us to the icons for Ionic framework itself. So right here you can see ionicframework.com/docs/ion icons. So we can click on that. Either you can search from here, search for menu. Now you can see we have the different menus, or you can do the same from here. You search for menu. So these are the different menus we have. So if you click on one, now this is how it's going to look on iOS. Then for material design like Android, this is how the icon is going to look. Then iOS outline, if you don't want it to have any outline, you just add these properties. But the name of the icon is called menu. So this is how we add it. Ion icon name equals to menu. So that is what we just did right here. Now to add the button or the icon, we added a button, added Ion button property, and also added this menu toggle property. Inside the button, we added this Ion icon, and the name of the icon is called menu. Now if I save this, go to the page, now you can see we have the toggle button. I can toggle the side menu, close, toggle, close. So right now you can see we have the side menu. So if you don't have this button inside your home page that will allow you to toggle the side menu, you can just add the button, then add the icon. Don't forget to add this menu toggle property.